Hi, Dr. Tam here. Did you know that the most common problem of sciatica, which is prevalent in hundreds of thousands of people every single day, is a disc bulge? And that's the most common cause, is the disc bulge or a disc herniation along the spine. See, along your spine, you have things called bones, you have disc, and then you have nerves. This is the top view of a bone, where you have nerves extending to the left side over here and on the right side as well. Well, the right side goes down the right leg, the left side goes down the left leg. And depending on where the nerve pinches due to a disc bulge or herniation, that's gonna be the more likely side where you're gonna have sciatica problems. Have you ever thought about something called spinal decompression? What spinal decompression does is a computer program table that we absolutely program ourselves to specifically work with disc bulge and disc herniations, to open up the disc back up to allow nutrients back into the disc from here where you have a disc bulge or herniation to this area where now the disc starts to go back into the space where it's supposed to. And as it goes back into the space where it's supposed to, now what happens is that nerve is no longer being compressed where the disc was putting pressure on it, therefore relieving you of the sciatica pain and symptoms. This is one of those things that can be very detrimental because you're limited from work, from play, you can't exercise anymore. We had a gentleman in here that was an avid basketball player and weightlifter, but due to sciatica and back problems, he's not able to do that anymore. And he hasn't been able to do that and is being forced to take it easy for the last 8 months. I want this to not happen to you. And the moment you see signs of it, and it never starts off as a full-blown sciatica. It always starts off with a little bit on and off, intermittent, where it may catch some days and it may catch other days, but that's how it starts. That's how all problems starts in the body. Think of your car, right? When your car initially has problems, it's not gonna be all of a sudden your engine just drops and fails, right? You're gonna see maybe an engine light, maybe see some smoke coming off the back. You see random lights popping on the dashboard. And it doesn't happen all the time, but it's a sign that something's not right on the inside. This bulges happens the same way. The first thing your body's going to do is tell you that there's a pain somewhere. But eventually what happens is your body will start to compensate. You might start leaning one way versus the other, and now before you know it, you end up with a curvature or a crooked spine. Get this fixed early, get this taken care of early. We're one of very few offices in Northern California that has the technology for spinal decompression. So give us a call, try it today. Let's see if we can help you.